Can't install Instagram from the Google Play Store on your phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix this problem. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, search for Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it to install. If the installation fails or you see an error, first make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If the problem continues, close the Google Play Store completely. Now, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then select Manage Apps. Tap the search icon and search for Google Play Store. Open it and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Next, tap Storage and select Clear Cache. If Instagram still won't install, you can also tap Clear Data. This will reset the Play Store app, but it won't delete your Google account or installed apps. Now, restart your phone. After your phone turns back on, open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram again, and try installing it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.